I've been searching for all of these for so long, and there they were at the convention. Hey everybody, welcome to another episode of Hot Wheels TV. Today, we just got back from the 32nd annual Hot Wheels convention in Los Angeles, which marks the 50th anniversary of Hot Wheels. Can you believe that? 50 years of Hot Wheels, and they're still going strong. And yep, I've been collecting for 50 years. 1968, I was 10 years old when Hot Wheels came out. And man, it changed my life. Well, I guess you guys know that, right? So today, I'm going to show you some of the things that I picked up at the convention. First one here is the number 251. It's the Gulch Stepper. And if you know anything about my books are all about variations. And this one here is one I've been looking for a long time. It's got the reversed tampo on the roof. They're really, really hard to come by. And I got to tell you, I didn't pay more than $25 for any one of these. A couple of them were $15. One was $10. I've got some other things that I'm going to show you too. But this one here, the reverse tampo, means that the tampo is, of course, reversed on the roof, other than the way it's normally supposed to be. Been looking for this thing forever. I found it at the convention. Another one, number 37. Now there's a whole bunch of these 37 hot birds, Firebirds, but they're called Hot Bird. And this one is the metallic blue. It's got the gold hot ones on it. It has a tan interior. Another one that is really, really hard to find. This one here, the Bronco four-wheeler number 56. Now I've been chasing the white one. I have the teal one or aqua one. I have the aqua one. And I've been chasing this white one in the 56 package for a long time. Usually I don't find it at conventions, and if I do, it's a lot of money. And I've been chasing it on eBay, a lot of money. I give up because they get, some people go crazy with what they pay for their variations. But like I said, I didn't pay anything more than $25 for any one of these. This, been looking for a long time. And number 73, the street rotor. And I know it looks the same as any other street rotor you've seen out there, but this one has the gear wheels or the construction tire spoke wheels on it. Very hard to come by. First release of this truck. And again, number 21, hard piece to get no matter what, the white one. And this one has the construction tire spoke or the gear wheels as some people call it. And I found that at the convention. Man, I've been searching for all of these for so long, and there they were at the convention. It is really great to get these pieces for the amount of money that I did get them for. So hang on, we're going to switch around a little bit, and I'm going to show you some more of the things that I got from the convention. Don't go away. All right, here are the other things we got from the convention. I got the number 110. Now, there's variations on this one. Like I said, I'm a variation guy. The blue in this tampo is really, really light. It's dark blue and it's black. This one is the really, really light one. And that's my haul from the 2018 Hot Wheels convention from Los Angeles, the 50th anniversary of Hot Wheels. I want to thank everybody from Collectors Events Unlimited, the wonderful people who put on these events. They do a super, super job, and I mean, they work endlessly to make sure that everybody has a good time. If you don't have a good time, then you got a problem. Let me tell you, pal, because these people go way above and beyond to make sure everybody does. So thanks again, Jennifer and Mark Milholland and the whole crew that they have there. I would like to mention everybody's names, but you know, we only got so much time. There's a lot of people that help put that event on. So we're going to do another show, so make sure you check that out, of just the cars and the stuff that we got from the convention itself. So thanks again for watching Hot Wheels TV. We really appreciate it, and I really appreciate all the kind words from everybody that came through, the autograph lines, and the people that stopped me in the hall at the convention that said that they love the show. We really, really, I tell you, man, I can't tell you how much that means to me. So I'm glad that everybody likes what we're doing. So until the next time we meet right here at Hot Wheels TV, please subscribe. Please tell your friends. Please share our videos. And please, please, please be kind to one another. I heard that too. Hey, you're the be kind to one another guy. I like that. That's good. So until we do meet somewhere, convention, Walmart, toy show, who knows, you take care now. Bye-bye.